Good morning students. Today we are going to start mathematics of standard 7, chapter number 1, exercise 1.4. Question number 1, evaluate each of the following. First is minus 30 divided by 10. So let's check minus 30 divided by 10. So here 0 and 0 it will be cut. So it is minus 3 is the answer. Now coming to the next, minus 36. So it is minus 36. We have to write this in the numerator and then divided by 9 we have to write minus 9 in the denominator. So here minus and minus both are minus. So here minus and minus it will be cut, and here 9 ones are 9, 4 are 36. So answer is 4. Here in this only one minus is there. So minus 30 which we have to write in the numerator and 10 we have to write in the denominator. So only one minus is there. So our answer it will be in minus only. And 2 minus are there. So our answer is in positive form. Now next question, 13 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So here we have to write 13 as it is, and then first of all we have to open this bracket. So it is minus 2 plus 1. So 13 divided by minus plus it is minus. 2 minus 1 it is 1, and we have to put the sign of the greater number. So it is minus 1. So 13 we have to write in the numerator and minus 1 we have to write in the denominator. So here 1 minus is there. So our answer is minus 13. Come to the next question, that is minus 31 divided by minus 30 plus minus 1. So it is, we have to write minus 31 as it is, then divided by, because first of all we have to open the bracket. So it is minus 30 plus minus it is minus 1. Now minus 31 divided by minus minus it is plus. So 30 plus 1 that is 31, but we have to write minus 31. So minus 31 upon minus 31. So minus and minus cut, and here 31 it will be cut, and our answer is positive 1. So our answer is plus 1. Now next, minus 36 divided by 12 divided by 3. So here first of all we have to open this bracket. So it is minus 36 divided by 12, and it is divided by 3. So 12 ones are 12, 12 3s are 36. So here 1 minus is there. So it is minus 3 divided by 3. So minus 3 divided by 3. So here also 1 minus is there. So it is, our answer is in minus. Our answer is in a negative form, that is minus 1. Then next, minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So here minus 6 plus 5 divided by minus 2 plus 1. So minus plus it is minus. So 6 minus 5 it is 1, and we have to put the sign of the greater number. So it is minus 1. Divided by minus plus it is minus. 2 minus 1 that is 1, and we have to put the sign of the greater number. So here the greater number is 2. So here it is also minus 1. So minus 1 divided by minus 1. So here 2 minus are there. So our answer, it is in a positive form. So it is 1. So our answer is plus 1. So now next question, a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b A divided by plus A divided by C. So A is given minus 10, B is equal to 1 and C is equal to 1. So here we have to write first LHS. So LHS equals to A divided by B plus C. So A is minus 10 divided by B 1 plus 1. So minus 10 divided by 1 plus 1, that is 2. So minus 10 upon 2. So it is minus 5 because only one minus is there. So our answer is in a negative form, that is minus 5. Now we have to see RHS. RHS A divided by B plus A divided by C. So our E is minus 10 divided by 1 plus A is minus 10, it is also divided by 1. So minus 10 divided by 1 plus minus 10 divided by 1. So here our answer is minus 10 plus minus 10. So minus 10 plus minus, it is minus. So minus minus, it is plus. So it is minus 20. And here our LHS is minus 5 and RHS is minus 20. So minus 5 is not equal to minus 20. Therefore LHS is not equal to RHS. Hence it is proved. Fill in the blanks. 369 divided by 369. So let's check. Here's 369. Here this is the LHS and this is the RHS. So here 369 is given in the LHS and here in the RHS 369 is given. So here 369 is divided by which number? We get 369. So we know that 369 is divided by 1, we get 369. So this is the another method. 369 is given and here 369. So here 369 upon 369. So if we cut, so here we got 1. Next is minus 75 divided by dash is equal to minus 1. So here minus 75 and minus 1. We have to divide both and here minus minus, 2 minus are there. So here we have to cut the minus and our answer is 75. Now next is minus 206 divided by dash is equal to 1. So here we have to write minus 206 and it is divided by 1. So here only one minus is there. So our answer is minus 206. Because minus 206, if we divide it with minus 206, this minus and minus it will be cut. So here we got 1. So here in LHS minus 206 divided by minus 206 we got here 1. So our answer, if we are taking here minus and minus, so our answer is in a positive form. D minus 87 divided by dash is equal to 87. So here 87, we are dividing this with minus 87. So one minus is there. So our answer is in minus form. So our answer is minus 1. So minus and minus, here the answer it will be in a positive form. So it is minus 1. Now next question, write 5 pairs of integer a, b such that a divided b is equal to minus 3. One pair is 6 divided by 2 because 6 divided by minus 2 it is 3. So first of all this pair is given, that is 6 divided by minus 2 is equal to minus 3. So here we have to take another 5 pairs. We have to take the integer a, here the integer a is given, that is 6 and b is minus 2. So we have to take such pair in which we got minus 3. So here let's take the another pair. So here you can take 9 divided by minus 3, that is minus 3. If you are dividing 9 with minus 3, 3 ones are 3, 3s are 9. So here you got minus 3. Another pair is here you can take like this also. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So 3 4s are, it is 12. So 12 divided by minus 4, it is also minus 3. Now 3 5s are, it is 15. So here 15 divided by minus 5, it is minus 3. Now 3 6 are 18. 3 6 are 18. So here we have to write 18 divided by minus 6. It is minus 3. Now another pair is 3 7s are 21. So here we have to write 21 divided by minus 7. It is minus 3. So in this way you can take the pairs like 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21. So these are the 5 pairs from which you got minus 3. So dear student, here we completed this exercise and also this chapter. I hope you will understand this very well and keep practicing. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Bye bye all of you. Take care.